I have one nest of tables, the biggest nest of tables. There will be 4 tables in all, and so this is the first one. I've got the pieces all together. Nothing's glued yet, and all the inlay is complete, holly inlay. I've done all this grooving with hand tools, but now I've got 12 more legs to do, 12 more columns. So I've made some fixtures to help with the grooving for the banding down here and for this holly strip. 8 of these that go into each column, flutes. So the way I use this fixture for the Dremel tool is to position the column into this piece, and then I create a vertical side. These are 1/8 inch wide grooves for the banding, a mixture of holly and mahogany. Grooves are about 1/16 deep. Then I do the horizontal . Okay, that'll work. I have to use a chisel then to square off those corners.